How to teach kids life skills without them noticing a parent's guide. Want to equip your kids with essential life skills but dread the thought of nagging and resistance? Discover how to seamlessly integrate learning into everyday life, making it fun and engaging for the whole family. Life skills are the building blocks of a successful and fulfilling life. These abilities, ranging from managing finances to resolving conflicts, empower children to navigate daily challenges with confidence. By teaching these skills early, we're not just preparing them for adulthood. We're fostering independence, resilience, and a sense of responsibility. Imagine your child confidently managing their time, making informed decisions, and handling challenges with grace. These are the benefits of instilling life skills early on. It's about equipping them with the tools they need to thrive, not just survive, in the world. Teaching life skills can be challenging. Resistance, overwhelm, lack of time, and disinterest are common obstacles. But don't worry, you're not alone. Understanding these challenges is the first step towards finding effective solutions. Let's face it, kids often resist anything that feels like a chore. Overloading them with too much information can lead to confusion and frustration. And in today's busy world, finding the time to teach these skills can feel impossible. But with the right strategies, you can overcome these hurdles and make learning fun and engaging. Here are some practical strategies to teach life skills without your kids even realizing they're learning. These methods focus on incorporating learning into daily activities, modeling good behavior, and using playful approaches to make the process enjoyable and effective. Turn everyday activities into learning opportunities. Involve your child in cooking, cleaning, and shopping. These activities naturally incorporate life skills without feeling like a structured lesson. Invite your child to help you cook dinner. This teaches them how to follow a recipe, handle kitchen tools, and understand nutrition. Turn tidying up into a game or a race. This teaches responsibility and fosters a sense of accomplishment. Take your child grocery shopping and let them assist with tasks like selecting items and comparing prices. This teaches financial literacy and decision-making. Kids are keen observers and tend to imitate what they see. Model positive behaviors like time management, conflict resolution, and organization. Show your child how you tackle tasks with a positive attitude and determination. Verbalize your thought process when handling a stressful situation. This teaches emotional regulation and problem solving. Demonstrate how you organize your schedule and prioritize tasks. This teaches time management and planning. Show them how you resolve conflicts peacefully and respectfully. This teaches communication and empathy. Incorporate play into teaching life skills. Use games, role-playing, and other creative methods to introduce these skills. This keeps the learning light and engaging while still imparting valuable lessons. Set up scenarios where your child can practice social skills or problem solving. This helps them develop communication and decision-making skills. Use board games and educational apps that teach financial management, time management, and other life skills in a fun way. Gardening is a fun way to teach patience, responsibility, and the basics of how things grow. Give kids responsibilities and opportunities to make their own choices. When children have to take on tasks and make decisions, they learn essential skills like problem solving, time management, and accountability. Let your child choose what to wear, make their own breakfast, or organize their toys. As they get older, gradually increase their responsibilities with tasks like managing their own schedule or handling their own finances with a small allowance. This fosters a sense of autonomy while teaching them vital life skills. Learning life skills doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Make it a family affair where everyone works together toward a common goal. This teaches teamwork, communication, and a shared sense of responsibility. Organize the house together, plan a family event, or work on a DIY project. This strengthens bonds between family members and makes the learning process feel like a fun, collective experience. It's about creating a supportive environment where everyone learns and grows together. Turn household chores into a friendly competition. Children can check off tasks as they complete them, competing with themselves to get everything done in a set time frame. This helps them understand the importance of responsibility, time management, and teamwork. Challenge your child to clean their room or organize their toys in 20 minutes, and then reward them with a fun activity afterward. This makes chores seem like a challenge or a fun game. Kids are more likely to develop a positive attitude toward responsibility and learn the value of time and effort. Remember, teaching life skills is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, supportive, and encouraging. Celebrate small victories and provide constructive feedback. The goal is to nurture independence and responsibility in your child, empowering them to become confident and capable individuals. Encourage your child to try new things and take on challenges. Provide a safe and supportive environment where they can learn from their mistakes. Celebrate their efforts and accomplishments, no matter how small. This will help them develop a growth mindset and a lifelong love of learning. There are many educational resources available to help you teach life skills to your children. Books, websites, apps, and workshops can provide valuable information and support. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your parenting skills and create a rich learning environment for your child. Explore online resources for age-appropriate activities and games that teach life skills. Attend parenting workshops and seminars to learn new strategies and techniques. Connect with other parents and share your experiences and insights. Together, we can create a community of support and learning. Focus on developing specific skills that are relevant to your child's age and interests. Start with basic skills like personal hygiene and organization, and gradually introduce more complex skills like financial literacy and problem solving. The key is to make the learning process gradual and progressive, building confidence and competence along the way. Teach your child how to manage their time effectively by creating a daily schedule. Help them develop problem-solving skills by encouraging them to find solutions to everyday challenges. Introduce them to basic financial concepts like saving and budgeting. These skills will serve them well throughout their lives. Incorporate life skills into family activities. Plan a family budget for a vacation, cook a meal together, or volunteer in your community. These activities provide opportunities for learning, bonding, and creating lasting memories. Plan a family game night and play games that teach strategy and problem solving. Take a family trip to a local farm and learn about where your food comes from. Volunteer at a local charity and teach your children the importance of giving back to the community. These activities will not only teach valuable life skills, but also strengthen your family bonds. Teaching kids life skills is an investment in their future. By incorporating these skills into everyday activities, using playful approaches and modeling positive behavior, you can help your children learn essential skills in a way that feels natural, enjoyable, and even fun. The key is to make learning a part of life, not a separate activity, and to provide opportunities for children to practice these skills in real-world settings. Ready to empower your child with the skills they need to thrive? Subscribe now for more parenting tips, educational resources, and family activity ideas. Let's work together to build a brighter future for our children.